Welcome to Master Chinese Writing Channel. Stroke order made easy.
Hi, welcome back. Today's character is
左
the symbol of left and direction. Let's learn.
Section 1. Stroke order, meaning and usage.
左
5 strokes to define left.
横撇横竖横左
Means left. Use it in words like
左边
left side or
左手
left hand. Now that you know how to write,
左
let's learn some useful words and phrases.
Section 2. Common words and phrases.
Common words and phrases.
向左转
Turn left.
左右为难
Caught in a dilemma.
Section 3. Example sentences.
Example sentences.
请往左边走
Please walk to the left.
这件事让我左右为难
This matter has left me in a dilemma.
Section 4. Fun fact.
Did you know? In ancient China, left was associated with civil authority and right with military power.
Section 5. Interactive challenge.
Now it's your turn. Quiz. How do you say turn left in Chinese using 左? Comment below. If you found this helpful, like, share and subscribe for more Chinese lessons. Comment below which Chinese character you want to learn. See you on next video for another character. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.